The 12th of October.
Me and my brother.
Marshfield, I think it was, maybe?
Unstoppable, but I tell you what, my brother can get somebody else.
We're all set. We're all set. Whenever you guys are ready.
I'm sucking it down right now, baby.
All right, 1, 2, 3.
Oh my god. The cat was the wrong way.
I did it the wrong
Look at Fowler's face. He's the fucking barf.
I gotta have my beer on me.
I fucking
Go all the way
tried
down.
I totally spilled my own fucking beer.
Play on high-speed internet and home telephones.
Powers comes.
I fucking
I
spilled
say,
the whole thing.
Power, your face was getting red like you were gonna fucking like throw up in the middle of it.
Well, I was watching him,
You had the wrong end?
and then him, out of the corner of my eyes, I was like this. I'm like, man, am I doing this wrong or right? Because one guy's doing it one way. I just spilled.
Kroll, I swear to God, Kroll did it in like, what? Kroll did that in like 3 seconds.
20 more down there.
And your cousin must be an
We
elf.
went to the strip club one night. He fucking, a stripper bought him a beer and they did it on the bar.
I was gonna wear the shirt tomorrow.
Your cousin must be a drinker too, because he pounded that pretty
I'll
quick.
be all hungover and
Half of Power's beer came fucking out. He's like,
After one of his kidneys is gone.
yeah, it's true. That's true. What kind of-
Holy shit. No pressure because we got the big boy. I said she's not I mean, he wants some. He wants it to be a monster. Taking a foul away over by Houston.
that's a good one.
I should put this on YouTube, huh? Go, Fritzy. It's not your birthday.
Pretend like it is.
Radio presented by Coles. It's still Milwaukee 1 and Houston nothing.
Here's going.
Hopefully some vomit. Hopefully some vomit comes soon, so that'd be awesome. Doing that kind of like stops it for some reason, isn't it?
World-class care from oncologist Ron.
This is going on YouTube, totally, man. It takes like 20 minutes to put a video on there, though, because the quality's so good. What the fuck is that?
Oh, it's so good.
Oh my god, that was bad.
That's why the National Foundation for Credit Counseling has developed the Homeowner
I'll be right back.
Center.